So your air conditioner is broke. What do you do? Question mark. Well, the first thing is look at the return on investment. Period. If it's going to cost you $500 to repair something that you've got to pay $200 a month to operate, maybe it's time to invest in a new one. Question mark. Here's what happens when you repair a 10-year-old air conditioner. You're going to spend $500 and never see it again. When are you going to replace it? When you spend $500 again? You could put that $500 toward the purchase of a new air conditioner that's more efficient. If you spend $200 a month cooling your house and you buy an air conditioner that's 10% more efficient, you're going to save $20 at least 5 months out of the year. That's $100 a year. So in 5 years, you've just got the return on investment rather than repair. Besides that, if the air conditioner price goes up 2% every year, air conditioners could run you, let's say, $5,000. That's $100 a year. So in 5 years, the air conditioner just went up $500. So if you have decent credit and can get a hold of no interest financing, it may be worth your while to replace your air conditioner rather than repair it, if you're going to replace it within 5 years anyway.